Kisano na isato umutinyu gatatu mwaka bw'ekirubere n'emerongo ebere na inye. Happy International Women's Day omwanchu muriria on Ndizi TV ande onsi ase ototengerete nigo yaragire CHINSA ISANO na IBERE cyabono magaso eritera nenkuru kwa job MAANGI n'utokoba tukubwatera nere erinde kwene kinga chibichechi boigo na malio gingo boikerare asenchira yobo ikeranu nigakoro kwa Sara MOMANYI kura nande asege kageterige tambe imbingu MOMANYI narali abere gagwatika kuruba wakiete CHINSA cha mambi goikera bono mugaso. On Ndizi TV na bako genda gotobwachi gwetera aso mtandao ito Facebook Ndizi TV News digital asensemo YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo gwetera aso mtandao ito www.ndizitv.net asa otonyora CHINSA emerongo ebere na inye amatuko atano na bere ye wiki amajanigo togo yachaka koru ase county ya Nairobi asomo senator we county ya Kisii bono abeire gakwe murunganeria ase ngencho gotigwa isiko bwe kamati yare gotia komoringo lya na boigo komobolia amabolia omokonyi mugabana we county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda engana abetega goteba yabetege kogera aka okoboko ensemo ye senate bose ensemo elichiko yomoroberio oboko ene kinga omokonyi mugabana we county ya Kisii ngwekirale bosio obwe bunge senate ase okolingo ligwa elinde abagakwereranga mamocho kyaya abetega kobekerwa naboigo abegakorwa obusaiti bwaya ase Senator we county ya Kisii Richard Momaima onyonka abagakweranga nigo ewiki ego cyabarachi waka chikura ase amamocho abekeire elinde barenga nachigotigara ase abisi bose nachigwakwa isiko korengana nenchera barachi waka chikura bosio we senate
na wese committee ekere bayo chorete mbambe gityo ande inche prosecuting senator ya Gusii ngakiora agamba mangana Gusii na inje na abeire nkoigwe ebintu mwaka monda okwana ne bintu gavana Simba okwana ate inje nali gwikaranze inje ngwete kubatenga ki kimbu yakere gose kimbubikire one kere twarra nagenda naboli oyonde sifuna na mutenga egente kiga foraba na inchi goisanika na kurigereria mangana agenderete yekineke tigente kebe kusikolia sanse erinda abasacha ababecho bachokole bakwane bali ba monda aboli wa maswali ne makosa alionzi abekere etetere akwane hego seaya na aba bakomo accuse be county assembly na barabo mu wakiri we county assembly omaetenaro monda abwato mu wakiri ne assembly ne bwato mu wakiri omuwakiri we assembly acharu obusaidiga akole ebinte bibyonzi na bintagete abantu bagusii baligereri parole so that onye mondo korusiwe gasi paisanike ngamaene amakosa naro nigo konachwa weki na kia ogoitwa kwa Monica Kimani ekiabwenderete gotegererwa litikulia rero kiabage usikwa gochiari tuko lie wiki ego chachitariki 13 asengenjo nigo monachi ebi nabaga gotebanga nigo chifile nabo igo amasakara abwenderete gweterwa ekine kugetarana chwa atabaga goikerani bosio obweke gamberio engana abaga gotebanga yabage kwireranga ekienekyo kobago usikiwa gochia ase omotienyi oyo chitariki 13.
I have become a victim of condemnation for adjourning this matter, and maybe that tells you why I came back here despite my mourning. And we must put blame where it falls. And so when this file reached me yesterday at 4 p.m., the only document that was availed was a pre-sentence report. I did not have any other document for me to consider, to sit down, even if it was overnight, to prepare my judgment on sentence. I was made to understand the Office of the Directorate of Public Prosecution filed their submissions at 5:30 p.m. I have been made to understand that the
Kabusionigo serikali yagendereire nesegio kurwania amarua atanchiri kagukwana kurwa ase ensemo ya Kiambu gusanga nabaraiba abanyanyimbo nigo mwaziri w'oburendi w'emekithure Kindiki abagotebanga nigo abanyanyimbo bonsi babeire ase station ekemo ky'abanyanyimbo gwetania emyaka 3 barachi guchaka kung'anywa guchakira lituko lya lero elinde gukinia obokoreri bwabo ase boigo abagagotisaba abaraiba kisiasa kumubwatesia ase esegio kurwania amarua atancheiri ime yorogongo rwa Mount Kenya na boigo ensengima ya Kenya.
Involved in law enforcement. So please note that this is purely a law enforcement matter. And therefore, we do not expect any reference whatsoever to political issues, and this has nothing to do with politicians. The best thing politicians can do is to support, is to sensitize the public that this operation is for the national interest. And I just wanted to communicate that all the officers from all the agencies who have served in one station for 3 years and above will be transferred starting today morning across Kenya. Across Kenya. That is a directive from government. It has to be complied with, and the IG and all the other those who are responsible.
Kero ensengima agendrete guchengera litukolinene lya basubati ensengima nigo ense ya Kenya tarati wa maega ase abasubati baba wesoke na guchengera litukeli chinsemo ao ime yense ya icho ya Kenya ase amalito agenkyo na boigo okunererwa kwa bwene wa basubati bwaborekana ko ba egati amangana aberega irani maega okogendera kwa basubati ime yense ya icho ya Kenya kago kwana chinga bale korabiana boigo gochena enyancha lamunigo umugabana we county ya Lama Fatuma Achani abagago saboko bwatirana elinde kumusiro mwana musubati na boigo kwene kinga nkwende ndwale na boigo obwene bwaye ngotenenera bwore.
Tuko hapa kupambana na issue zote ama dhulma zote ambazo zinafanywa kwa jinsia ya kike ama kwa mwanamke. Na pia tuko hapa, nafikiri ukiangalia utaona banners nyingi ambazo zinakemea ubakaji, zinakemea mimba za mapema, kwa sababu pia kama county sasa hivi tunalo janga kubwa la mimba za mapema na ndoa za mapema.
Endapo hatutodhibiti mabadiliko ya tabia nchi, basi kina mama watakuwa wanateseka zaidi katika wanadamu ambao wanaishi katika nchi hii. Kwa hivyo nembo ya shughuli hii ni kwamba tunaenda kusaidia zile nguvu ama mchango wa kudhibiti mabadiliko ya tabia nchi ili kwamba maisha ya binadamu yawe imara, lakini hususan kwa mama awe na nafasi nzuri ya kuweza kukidhi mahitaji ya watoto wake na sisi wanadamu kwa jumla.
I am calling upon kila mtu kwa community kuwa part and parcel of it, because tukishikana na tuki come together, that is when tutaweza achieve ile
party korua sichi county committee okora obotugi bwechitugo ao nigo baba gotengera ogokina nabo igokogendera konyora amabaga yoburai ase chinsemo bakorua ase bachengera amaegeli baba konyora igore chinchira barabe bakwegendera na gotebanga chikogendera nabo igokwene kinga babeire bakogendera kwirwanirira buna abasubati na boigo gwetera ase chinchira buna obonchereria na boigo gwetera ase oboremi.
Kama 10 iliyopita hatukuwa hata na female ranger. Sasa hizi tuko na karibu 100 ambao wako kwa hiyo kazi ya uhifadhi, na zaidi ya hayo pia tuko na program zetu za economic empowerment na livelihoods, kujaribu tu kuona kwa conservancy ni miradi gani ambayo wamama wanaweza jihusisha, ni programs gani ambao youth wanaweza jihusisha.
Kutoka hii training wamama wataenda kuwa wengi kwa conservancy, na wamama siku hizi wanaweza ongea vizuri, wanaweza simama mbele ya watu. Through the LAMP training ile tunapata ya leadership and governance, wamama wamepata masomo na wanaweza simama kuongea vizuri. Nimeona kiongozi wa mama inapeleka mbele sana kuliko kiongozi wa wanaume. Na hii summit inatufundisha kutupia moyo, tupelekane na community sawa sawa. Hata sisi kama wamama tunajitosha kuongoza.
Pande we kanisa ya Jesus is Alive Ministry Bishop Margaret Wanjiru bono nigo abega gwesoke na utebanga nigo mugondo oyue kanisa ya abete gekagwacho abete gakuyogora kurende tabeti gakuyoiba asaba kwimurunganeria ogutagorero we kanisa yaye ne serikali eyu abete gakwa okoboko ase obochori bwatete gwetera ase ekyama kya UDA ase ale kwamereria oborai wa Nairobi ase abagagosaba serikali kuligereria ebirero byaye naboigo otiga komunireria obwene bwaye.
We were wrapped up by NIS agencies. Those are security agencies. They have an office behind us here. I was wrapped up, given a thorough beating, phones taken away. I was with Pastor Major, camera confiscated and taken away. One of the founding members of UDA. I campaigned 2 years straight when others came to just steal what I had worked for. Yet, I let go. I've loved you, my president. I've loved you, my deputy president. I've loved your family. When you call, I obey, I answer from this day. Take it from this altar. Tables are turning. The peace of the people out there. Again, these properties are ours. Bought, paid, title deeds are there.
Oroke batenenete chigosori ase chisukuru au anene mono wali bakwaligania okogosoria we chigosori echio ase entangani nigo babaire bakwemurunganeria okonyorwa we chibesa echigo chia ase skuru engana batebanga nigo baroche era chikuirania maega chitalanta na boigo goturubania emirobiri konyora babere bakorosia ase aboro kigwa ekero bakogosoria chigosori echi bakorawa na ngara mboru ni go babaire bagocheba buna oyotenerete county ya Siaya mbasaba serikali kobwatuka chibesa echyo ase obwango elinde emeroberio yo kwaligania chigosori echyo eyo egendrete te chigo turubaniwa.
Nyamira versus Nyamira.
We are more than ready and prepared to hold these activities, and it is all systems go. The activities will begin in earnest with the first matches taking off this afternoon. And so the umpires are ready, they have been seminized, they have been taken through due process. And so all we expect is that they execute their mandate to the best of their abilities so that by the end of the day, they make judgments that will enable us come up with teams that will effectively compete in the next level. That is at the regional level.
I want to ask the Ministry of Education, whether it is Ministry of Education in Siaya or whether it is Ministry of Education in Kenya, based in Nairobi, I want to urge them to fund these activities with immediate effect. Let them release the funding for these activities with immediate effect. We cannot have activities without funding. We have sports here, there is not a single cent. We know the funding might not be adequate, but that little funding must be released for these activities to take off successfully. Otherwise, I want to assure you that there is a possibility these activities may not happen into tomorrow.
Omuriria on Ndizi TV oroboti ururengete chigosori chichiskuru notowikera omweli wa mangana AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE kurindikira chikuraga CHINSA ikomi chiabono marogoba nigo mura chikumira na nere Evelyn Osero abega kubamanyia nharaliaya agendrete imense itya Kenya anene mono igoro yemeyega agendrete imeye chinsemo au chorogongo rwa Gusii na boigo ensengima igoro yogo ngera omusubati aseigo na abatakeiro burigeria obyaimya Ndizi TV reterane nkuru kwa job MAANGI nitwabere tukubwaterana nere elinde kwene kichibi chechi boigo na amalio gingo wekerare asenchero wekerani yakoro kwa Sara MOMANYI twarubategereria obya imeya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bw'Gusii.